Today I am making a review video of Email Video Pro 2.0 white label. Okay, and you can get the link of this article in the description, and I request you to all my viewers check description and read this article before buy software. This article will help you lot, and you will get all the answers of your questions which are coming in your mind. Okay, and after reading that article, please buy from my link. If you buy from my link, I will provided you bonuses, okay, which are related to email marketing. These bonuses helps you to get success in email marketing. Okay, total worth of these bonuses is $1,497. So you can buy after reading this article. So conclusion, I am just sharing a conclusion what you will get in this software. Okay, so this is an email marketing software. This will help you to send emails and drive traffic to your website. Okay, and whatever you want, where you want to drive traffic, you can drive. Okay, no problem. If you are sending an email to your clients, to your audience, okay, so you can upload a video within your email. Okay, you can add white label dashboard within your emails, and whatever length of your video you want to upload, you can upload. So you know that if you are uploading videos in your email, the CTR will be increased. Okay, and if you are want to trial of this software, I will highly recommend you to register. Okay, register. You can register like I am just sharing that link where you will get. Yeah, you can check. Okay, below this image you can check their official website. When you will click on this website, you will in the like you will see this type of interface. Okay, and you can register here for early. Register now for the full demo and early bird special access, and you can register here. Okay, and you can access of this software before buy. Okay, so let me tell about this software. I am requesting you to check description and get this article link and read before buy. Okay, so let me tell about this software. This is an email marketing software. Okay, you can increase your revenue by sending emails, or you know that the traffic which you get from email marketing, the conversion which you will get from email marketing is highly unexpected results you will get from email marketing. We never expect how much results which we will get from email marketing. Okay, and you can get results with investing a few dollars. Okay, by investing few dollars you can get a lot of result. Okay, so let me tell about this software. You can engage your audience with email videos, get 10x conversion. Okay, and you know that the email marketing is the best way to promote businesses. And okay, and if I talk about the email videos pro white label, you can upload your custom domain in this software when you are sending emails. Okay, you can upload your brand logo. This will makes you this will create your authority when like reader opens your email, like when your audience opens the email, then they know that you are a legit person. Okay, like if you are sending emails without you don't have custom emails, then people thinks you are a scammer. They never open your email. But if you are uploading your custom domain, your own logo, then you are like getting trust of your audience. So this software will provided, and also you can engage your again I am saying you can get 10x engagement. You can play videos inside your email. So this software is also good. Okay, so let me tell about the detail of the detail. So the vendor of this product is Mario Brown. I worked with this vendor, and the software the vendor is providing is really awesome. I am already using the previous version of this software, like Email Video Pro. This is an updated version of Email Video Pro. Okay, and I am already using that software, and I am also getting massive results. Okay, so I will request you to go and check description again and register as soon as possible, because if you are late, then you will miss this demo. Okay, So like and the like you can check the price like $57. That is nothing. If you are an email marketer, you know that that price is nothing. Like you can spend 10x price of this on your ad, so you can like get an very awesome software at a cheap rate. Okay, and you can use that discount code to get $2 off also, which are provided by me for only for my viewers. Okay, and if I talk about email video pro white level limited review, which I am using currently, I am using that software. Okay, so you can like if I talk about prawns, you already know that you can get 100% free traffic. Cloud based software, you can send unlimited emails. Okay, unlimited emails, and you can store unlimited data, no problem. Yeah. And if I talk about if you are a beginner and you know, and if you are thinking, bro, I don't know how to use this software, how I will send emails to my viewers, to my audience, don't worry dear. The vendor created and step-by-step training for beginners. You will get all the idea how to use this software, how to send email campaigns, how to create email campaign, all whatever you want. Okay, and after watching this training, if you are facing again issue, then you can create a call. Okay, you will get a great customer support, and this software is user friendly. And if you are using that software on a commercial range, you will get commercial license, no problem. Okay, if I talk about cons, I don't get any cons about this, so I write nothing such. Okay, and you can write or read all this article by using you can get the link of this article in the description. I am not reading this. Okay, so let me tell about why should you buy email video pro white level. So let me take email. You know that email marketing is a new trend to make businesses upfit to the next level and to make 10x more engagement and profit from the emails you send out to your clients. Okay, with this tool you can act as an influencer marketer in your videos with a great marketing strategy. And also, if you will buy that software, you will also get a lot of marketing strategies which will help you to grab attention of your audience. Okay, so check out the list of some professional who can use this software. Like if you are a email marketer, you can use this software. Online marketer, video marketer, affiliate marketer, blogger, agency owner, business owner. If you are anyone from among of them, then you can use that software. And if you okay, so you can read all this from the link. Okay, I am not reading like this is an hectic. So let me tell about this software in detail. You can, and after like when you buy the software and log into your dashboard, you can remove email video pro logo and you can upload your own logo. So this will build your authority in front of audience. Okay, you can easily add, delete and manage your clients. You know that managing clients is too much hectic, and this software comes in play which helps you to manage your clients. Okay, you can easily delete, manage, and you can manage your clients. Okay, and also you are getting a white label client panel. Okay, you are getting also white label. This will help you a lot. And you can upload your custom domain and subdomain, like if you are having company regarding like books. So like I want to sell like education books, so what I will leave education dot whatever your domain name you can write. You can upload your logo, brand, whatever you want. You can add your own logo to the video player. You can upload your logo to the video player. You add your business name and description. All these things we can you get from the software as really awesome. Okay, you can start your software agency in minutes. SI clicks to get new clients. You know that you are the CTR of your email is too much high by using this software, so you can also get a new clients because you have lot of budget. Okay, so this is all about email video pro 2.0. If I missed something, okay, by chance if I missed something, you can I am requesting you to register here for full dive demo webinar. This vendor will explain in depth about the software after attending this demo. If you find that this software will helpful for me, then you can buy. And yeah, otherwise if you did not want to buy, you don't buy, no problem. Okay, but I will highly request you to at least you should have to register for demo. So that's why you can know in depth what is this software about, how this work. All itself vendor will explain. So nothing is left. So again, if I talk about bonuses, then you will get bonuses from my side, like email list generating multiple streams of income via email marketing. In this ebook you will get the secrets, strategy, methods which are currently in marketing. Okay, already I have invested $70,000 in ads, so that's why I got an idea, in-depth idea how marketing, how businesses works, and all whatever I learned, I wrote in this book. So you are getting this ebook free for you. Okay, you can get Max Impact email marketing ebook, marketing for newbies. If any beginner watching my video, then then they will get. Okay, viral traffic generation ebook you will also get. I am strategies to increase traffic, or you will also get this ebook. And how to write successful emails. Many beginners facing problems, sir, I don't know how to write ebooks, how to write emails. So by reading this ebook, you will get in-depth knowledge how to write successful emails. If I talk about conversion, how like many people send emails but they don't get any conversion. So this ebook will help you a lot. And the total worth of these ebooks is $1,497. These ebooks are too much premium, and you will get all these ebooks when you buy from my link. Okay, and if you buy from my link, and sometimes if you will not get missed these bonuses, you can directly contact me on Instagram. I will share the downloadable links of all these ebooks. Okay, and you can get my Instagram link, Instagram profile link in the description. So guys, this is all about this software. I hope you like this. Okay.